How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to grow taller, the ultimate tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you grow taller, you guys? A lot of people don't know this, but 95% of height growth occurs when you are sleeping. So if you want to grow taller, the best thing to do is put yourself in a sleeping position for as long, or a sleeping state for as long as possible. Obviously, we don't want to redo it. Like doing 14 hours is unnecessary, but studies have shown the average person only gets 5 hours of sleep per night, which is terrible. Doctors recommend 7 hours, bare minimum for sedentary people. I recommend 9 hours. I went from sleeping from 6 hours to 9 hours, and I went from 5'7" to 5'10" in a month just by increasing my sleep by 3 hours. And if you think about it, 3 hours a day for a week, that's 21 hours extra of sleep. In a month, that's 84 hours. Like that's insane. Like just think how much extra sleep you're getting. And that allows your body to grow. Because that's the whole point. We're trying to get taller. We're trying to grow. That is not possible if we're depriving our body of sleep. Like if you're getting 6 hours, you are lacking sleep. You are in a deficit of sleep. And that is the reason why you cannot get taller. A lot of people say your height is genetics. Height only is 60% genetics. It's not 100%, it's not 90, it's not even 80, it's 60%. So the other 40% you can control, you guys. Obviously, if your parents are 6'5", yeah, you're gonna be 6, no doubt. But if you do things right, you could have a chance of being 6'6", 6'7", as opposed to being like 6, 6'1". So it really depends on your lifestyle and your sleep. Obviously, you want a good diet too. What you put in your body is how your body's gonna grow. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching.